Hello, dear viewers, what's new for BMW 5i 2024? Sporty yet tall, heavy on styling but all the elements under the hood, the 2024 BMW 5 Series Sedan once again draws attention, this time with a host of new standard features and stunning design elements. All new modern headlight and grille design, plus illuminated kidney grille, installation and sportiness. The standard moonroof offers fresh air and a view of the sky. The available full-glass Sky Lounge roof extends from front to rear, giving the 5 Series a dynamic, low profile. Add a touch of sportiness to your luxury 5 Series sedan with the M Sport package, complete with M wheels, Shadowline exterior trim, M Sport brakes and M Sport steering wheel. 5. Where is the sedan's performance? Standard 19 inches wheels provide a useful core for both design and traction. Optional wheels up to 21 inches offer an even more dramatic look. Find out your latest style at a glance. New, dynamic design elements and new exterior color options, including Cape York green and Brooklyn grey metallic, ensure your look matches your forever presence. Infotainment and connectivity. All 5 Series models feature a large curved digital panel with a 12.3-inch reconfigurable gauge display and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system is already used in other BMW models, such as the 7 Series Sedan and the X electric SUV, and has proven to be quite intuitive in our experience. A head-up display is optional, but all models come standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Harman/Kardon stereo and a video game system that calls BMW's Air Console, which can only be used when the car is stationary. Do exactly what you want, when you want. Featuring the iDrive 8.5 operating system, the new BMW curved display offers intuitive and accessible interactions, including better widgets than ever and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior dimensions have increased slightly, so there should be enough room for adults to be comfortable in the front and rear seats of the 5 Series, and the cabin looks luxurious accordingly. While genuine leather upholstery remains an option, BMW has included a vegan-friendly option this time called Veganza. All models are equipped with an automatic climate control system with their vents cleverly integrated into the dashboard designed to hide them from view. A roll and slide sunroof is standard, but you can also opt for a large, fixed glass roof that extends into the rear seat area. An optional luxury seats package adds heated and ventilated front seats with more power adjustment and a massage function. The premium package includes a heated steering wheel, head-up display, and more, and the executive package adds a panoramic glass roof as well as a power rear sunshade, glass interior controls and a backup camera. Standard sports seats offer luxurious comfort, while the BMW curved display focuses on the driver, ensuring your experience is a priority. Choose available glass controls for even more crystal clear luxury. Engine, transmission, and performance. In 2024, the 5 Series will be offered in 530i, 540i and 550e trims, with the 530i getting a 255 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder and either rear or all-wheel drive. The 540i comes standard with all-wheel drive, as well as a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline 6. Both are powered by a 48-volt hybrid system. BMW says the 540i should be powerful enough to hit 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The plug-in hybrid 550 is powered by an inline 6 and electric motor that combine for 483 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. We'll take the new 5 Series to our test track when we get a chance and update this story with test results and driving impressions. Safety and driver assistance features. The 5 Series offers the expected driver assistance features as standard, including automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, but more advanced features, including BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving mode, are optional. For more information on Series 5 crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key security features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keep assist, available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode.